How to trade cards in Monopoly Go. Hey guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to trade cards on Monopoly Go. So now that you are in your game, what you want to do to trade cards in Monopoly Go is tap on your album on the lower right corner of the screen, besides friends like so. And here you're going to see all the card collections that you have. And as you can see, we don't really have that much right now. So how do you trade cards? It's very easy. You need dupes or you need copies of cards. So if we tap on opening ceremony like this, as you can see here, we don't really have anything that is a copy. But if you go to Shield Breaker, as you can see here in self-protection, there is a +1. So the copies or the dupes will be labeled with a +1 or how many copies you have. So if you have 3 copies of this, it's going to say +3. So if you have a card that has a copy, all you need to do is tap that, and here you're going to have an option to say send to friend. So if you tap send to friend, you're going to have a list of your friends in Monopoly Go, and you can choose whoever you want to trade with. Now you're going to see something called make an exchange here on the bottom. If you tap on this like so, this pop-up will appear. Exchange stickers safely. Stickers and cards are the same thing. You can now safely propose, accept, or decline sticker exchanges with your friends. So that means you can just have, hey, you have this, I have this, we both want each other's cards, let's trade, right? Before, you can only send stickers to a person, but people can scam you, and a lot of scammers were there before. Now you have this option, this feature, that you could just, exchange stickers safely. So what you want to do is, of course, enable that. And for example, you want to trade with Quick Hawk like this, click continue, and exchange with this sticker with Quick Hawk. Quick Hawk has 16 hours to offer you a sticker, and click exchange, and you will be exchanging stickers or cards with a friend. Of course, they're going to have a notification that says that, hey, this other player wants to trade with you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.